Welcome to our channel Auto Luxury Cars. Today, we're exploring the 2025 BMW X7, the ultimate luxury SUV that combines elegance, performance, and advanced technology. Let's dive into what makes this flagship SUV stand out. Exterior. The 2025 BMW X7 commands attention with its bold kidney grille, sleek adaptive LED headlights, and a sculpted body design that radiates sophistication. The redesigned bumper and sharp lines give it a sporty yet elegant look. It sits on 21-inch alloy wheels, with optional 23-inch wheels for an even bolder stance. Performance. Under the hood, the X7 offers impressive powertrains, including a turbocharged inline-6 with mild hybrid technology or a powerful V8 engine, delivering up to 523 horsepower. BMW's X-Drive all-wheel drive system and adaptive air suspension ensure smooth handling, whether cruising on highways or tackling rugged terrain. It's a perfect blend of power and refinement. Interior. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a luxurious cabin with premium materials, ambient lighting, and customizable trim options. The curved dual-screen display integrates a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by BMW's iDrive 8.0. Comfort is guaranteed with heated, ventilated, and massaging seats, along with ample space for up to 7 passengers. Safety features. Safety takes center stage with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. The X7 also includes a 360-degree camera and an optional driving assistant professional package for semi-autonomous capabilities, ensuring a secure and stress-free ride. Prices. The 2025 BMW X7 starts at approximately $81,000 for the base X-Drive 40i trim, with higher trims like the M60i exceeding $120,000. Fully loaded options provide a truly bespoke luxury experience. Outro. Thanks for watching. The 2025 BMW X7 offers unmatched luxury, cutting-edge technology, and exceptional performance, making it a top choice for premium SUVs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews. See you next time.